Let us recap about insert statement as we are going to use it for batch loading. We can either insert one record at a time or multiple records. So this is an example for inserting multiple records in one shot. We can have multiple records as part of the values like this. Inserting one record at a time is typically used to insert records for transaction-based use cases, which means we tend to use that approach for mobile or web applications while serving the user requests with respect to transactions. For batch processing, we typically try to insert multiple records at a time for performance reasons. At times, we even might consider native database utilities for batch loading into table. Example is copy with respect to Postgres. However, it is out of the scope at this time. This process is also known as direct path load. Let's create the connection object. It will take care of providing SMS underscore connection object for us. It is not running because the kernel is not set. Let's set the kernel to Python 3 here and then run this. It will expose SMS underscore connection as well as retail underscore connection for now. Now we ran and we should be able to create the table users by running this. You can see that the table is dropped and then recreated. Now we are trying to insert 3 records in one shot. So we are creating a cursor object, then we are creating query object of type string, which contain insert into users and the columns which we are trying to insert. There are 6 columns here. As we have 6 columns as part of the values, in circle brackets, we have 6 placeholders in the form of %yes. Then users is of type list. This list contain 3 tuples. Each tuple contains 6 elements matching these 6 placeholders. We should be able to run this. It will take care of inserting 3 records with one insert statement. Once we run this, we should be able to validate by connecting to the database directly using this approach with a Jupyter Notebook. And then we should be able to run this to actually get the users that are inserted in the users table. For some reason, it is taking a bit of time. Once it is done, you will be able to see 3 records here. You can see the results here. As we have recapped about insert, where we can insert multiple records in each insert statement. Now let's leverage this knowledge and focus on how we can take care of bulk loading using similar approach.